Hey, my name is Ken. You are rolling with Ken. We are downtown Milwaukee. Lake Michigan is ripping. We're gonna go check it out. The lake is definitely stirring about. Seasons are changing. I'll be able to show you all what's going on downtown Milwaukee. And we have some, you can see the kite in the distance, some kite skiers, surfers, you can call them, checking out the roll. We got a big roller coming over here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You can see the currents are definitely coming up. All right. The e-bike, the baggy bike, 48 volt, 500 watts, led me this direction on this cold fall day to be able to check out the splash action from the various huge waves. You can tell it's a little windy out. Let's get down here a little bit more. Maybe get a little better view of what's going on. Yeah. My name is Ken. You're rolling with Ken. Check out this and the other episodes I have. Subscribe